What is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming is a programming style which is associated with the concepts like class, object, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. Without having an idea about OOP concepts, you will not be able to design systems in the object-oriented programming model. Let me explain a little bit about class and object. A class is a collection of method and variables. Class is a blueprint that defines the data and behavior of a type. It is a blueprint for any functional entity which also defines its properties and its functions. Let's take animal as a class. Like in animal having such as dog, cat, and cow. Those are examples of the class. Object. In object-oriented programming, objects are the things you think about first in designing a program, and they are also the units of code that are eventually derived from the process. For example, my name is Krishna, and I am an object of class man. When we say human being, man or woman, we just mean a kind you, your friend, and I. We are the forms of these classes, and we have a physical existence, while a class is just a logical definition. Inheritance. Inheritance is a feature of object-oriented programming that allows code reusability when a class includes property of another class. For example, considering human being a class which has properties like hands, legs, eyes, mouth, and functions like walk, talk, eat, see, and etc. Abstraction. Abstraction means showcasing only the required things to the outside world while hiding the details. For example, considering human being. Human beings can talk, walk, hear, and eat, but the details of the muscles, mechanism, and the connections to the brain are hidden from the outside world. Encapsulation. Encapsulation means that we want to hide unnecessary details from the user. For example, when we call from our phone, we select the number and press call button. But the entire process of calling, or what happens from the moment we press or touch the call button to the moment we start having a phone conversation, is hidden from us. The last one is polymorphism. Polymorphism is a concept which allows us to redefine the way something works by either changing how it is done or by changing the parts used to get it done. This can be done in two ways: overloading and overriding. Overloading. If we walk using our hands and not legs, here we will change the parts used to perform something. Hence, this is called overloading. Overriding. And if there is a defined way of walking, but I wish to walk differently, but using my legs like everyone else, then I can walk like I want. This will be called as overriding. Summary. As I mentioned, object-oriented programming consists of some important concepts, namely class, object, inheritance, abstraction, encapsulation, and polymorphism. These features are generally referred to as the OOP concepts. Class can be considered as the blueprint object and describes the properties and behavior of that object. An object is a particular instance of class which has actual existence. Static variables and methods are not purely object-oriented because they are not specific to objects. Thanks for watching.